Toby, you cannot get wet again. We gotta go home. You can't get wet. Let's go. Let's go home. Go home. Come on. Go home. Nah, you can't get wet. All right. Today we're gonna bring a large mat, and this is a water sprinkle mat, and we have our dogs there. I can't wait to play with it. So we're gonna set it up for them and have some fun. Now it does come with a couple of things you should be aware. An attachment for the water hose too, also in case you get any patches or any kind of wrinkles or cuts, you can always patch it up with this. So we're gonna use it today. I'm gonna show you how large it is. All right, I'm gonna show you how large it is. I'm about 6 feet tall. This thing is huge. So this thing here has a standard water hose attachment in here. You gotta wait a couple minutes before you start using it, because it takes a bit for it to go around, circulate, start pushing the water up. So these guys are ready. So let's go ahead and turn it on and see how it looks. So how do you like the water, Toby? You like it? Good.